Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Steps to English. Today I am going to teach you some great alternatives to the phrase I understand. While it's common to say using the same phrase repeatedly can make your English sound a little boring. So, if you want to speak more naturally and sound fluent, I'll show you much better ways to express understanding. Instead of saying I understand all the time, try these different phrases to sound more professional, engaging, or even casual, depending on the situation. It's important to expand your vocabulary, and these alternatives will definitely help. Let's start with an informal one. If you're talking to a friend or someone you're comfortable with, you can say, I get it. This is casual, relaxed, and sounds very natural in everyday conversations. For example, if your friend is explaining why they are late, you can respond with, yeah, I get it. Next up is a phrase you can use in more general situations, like when someone is explaining something to you. I see. It's simple but effective. For instance, if someone is giving you directions or explaining a process, you can say, oh, I see. This shows that you are following along. If someone explains something that might have been a bit complicated, but you finally understand it, you can say, that makes sense. This is a great phrase for both formal and informal situations. Imagine a co-worker explaining a project to you. Once you understand, you can say, okay, that makes sense now. For a quick, to the point response, especially in casual situations, you can say, got it. It's short and shows you are on the same page. If your boss gives you instructions at work, you can reply with, got it. Finally, for more formal settings, like in a meeting or academic discussion, you can say, I follow you. This shows that you not only understand, but you are keeping up with the conversation. For example, during a presentation, you can say, I follow you. But could you explain that last point again? And that's it. These 5 alternatives, I get it, I see, that makes sense, got it, and I follow you, are great ways to replace I understand in your everyday English. Try using them in your next conversation and see how much more natural your English sounds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more tips. Let's keep learning, one tiny step at a time. See you in the next video.